Guys, in this YouTube video I will show you a very simple beginner tutorial on how to code on OpenBSD using the Rust programming language. First of all, we need to add our user to some groups. The groups will to allow it to perform administrator tasks, the group staff to allow the user to have a higher resource limit, and the group operator to allow it to mount USB or DVD devices and have higher capabilities. Now this patch, in this way we will get the latest bug fixes from OpenBSD. Now a quick reboot of the system to make the changes take effect. Now after the reboot we need to update the packages to the latest stable version with the command pkg add minus capital U and U. In this way it updated all the packages. Now set up DOS. It will work like sudo on Linux using VI like a true Unix nerd. Unix chad. I as insert to type the void permit persist keep env the name of the user ask column write quit exit. Let's try the command. Now enable hyperthreading to make the system have higher performances. It says operation not permitted because we are still the root user. Now login as a standard user. It works. Our DOS configuration is correct. Now let's edit the file sysctl.conf to make it permanent. If VI is difficult, you can always use Nano. Now reboot to make the system will enable hyperthreading. Now let's install wget, git and curl. They are little terminal applications that will allow you to download some files from the internet. They are used by many people in production environment to work on their project, download them and upload them to their websites. After that, we need to search the Rust packages with the command pkg_info capital Q Rust. You should install all of them. Pkg add Rust, Rust Clippy, Rust GDB, Rust FM. Enter. After that, your Rust coding environment will be ready and functional. The last package was called Rust FMT, not just Rust FM. a little mistake. Now create a directory for your project, for example called Rust. Enter the directory. Now create a test file called main.rs. Files in .rs extensions will be Rust code file, the main code to write hello world, fn main, parentheses, other parentheses, print line open. Here you can write everything you want, for example hello world, but other things will work as well as an experiment. When I read the book from Linus Torvalds, he wrote as the first line of code, Sarah is the best, the name of Linus' sister. I will write OpenBSD is the best. Close, close, save, pay attention to the file extension .rs. Okay, exit. Now we need to compile our test file into code with the command rust-c. Rust compile, the name of our file. We can see main, it is our compiled file. We can execute with point and slash the name. Here OpenBSD is the best. We have successfully compiled our code and executed it. See you later guys. This was just a little proof of concept to show you that it is possible to use OpenBSD to code in Rust programming language as well as Linux. See you later guys.